Guys, what's up? I'm here now today to come and get my order. It's noisy outside, so let's go inside.
Welcome, valued customer.
Welcome to Alaowerri restaurant.
Divine Dalono. Unu chetara. Divine that shush.
OMG.
Unu chetara ogembera. Unu chetara ogembera. Alaowerri. Unu chetara ogembera. Na Alaowerri restaurant. That time that I came to have oha soup. Well, as promised, I'm back because I stick to my word. So last time I came, I had obviously the oha soup because that's my favorite. But this time around, I've come to do the ISI EWU as promised. The last time I was here was with Chinazo. Chinazo in the building. So I know that ISI EWU was like a traditional, it's a luxury dish to be honest, but I've always had a bit of fear about it because it's literally the brains and the skull and the ears and the nose and the eyeballs and the teeth, and it's scary to me. So today I'm going to be initiated into the ISI EWU club. So I'm going to do my rites of passage today, and I'm going to have my first dish of ISI EWU. So let's see how it goes. Let's go and see the process actually and see how it's cooked. The dish that everybody craves so much. We come to the headquarters, ISI EWU headquarters, Alaowerri restaurant in New Cross Road, and we're gonna try it out. Wish me luck, guys. First ISI EWU in my life. I'm absolutely nervous. Wish me luck.
Welcome to Alaowerri restaurant. 1 serving of ISI EWU, right?
Yeah. How long's that gonna be?
Actually, you wanna see how it's cooked?
Okay, sure. Where's the chef?
Let me speak to your
At the
manager.
back.
You're welcome. Sonom Jeno kitchen, Kile Beda prepare issue.
Alright, so let's head off to the kitchen. Well, let's go with Joe first, and he's gonna take us to the kitchen and show us how this is all prepared. Guys, this is really nervous for me, so wish me luck, okay? Let's go.
I did. So now, I got home with the issue.
So how does it start so far? What is like the main process? Because the scary part to me is that obviously it's goat head.
But the preparation of ISI EWU, we have to put a bit water with small onions in the pot.
So this is what parts of the goat head? Is it the whole goat head?
This is a one full goat head.
So the ears, the brain, the skull, all of that?
Whatever you think about it is here. You can see I'm washing it with hot water.
So that there is an ear.
What do you mean?
Like everything has been cut. Now I'm washing it.
No, thank you.
See, sometimes you wash it with onions and salt. You can see what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut onions now, you see.
Does it have to be red onion or can it be white?
It can now preferable red onions
For the flavour or the aesthetics?
for the flavor. And chop it.
And then this is going inside the pot?
Definitely. It's going into the pot. For one ISI EWU, you can use 2 red onions. One ISI EWU is 1 head.
Okay. So in that pot there was
That pot is one head. Taking it, putting it into the pot. Now,
These are the ingredients for the seasoning.
yes.
What's this one?
This is Oda. This is Oziza.
Yeah. What is Oda?
Oda is what we use in preparing the ISI EWU. what makes it organic.
Is
Homemade.
it a seed or?
Yeah, it's a seed. It's a seed, grounded seed. It brings out the aroma, and this is what makes it delicious.
Then this one is.
This is Oziza, grounded Oziza.
Yeah.
It's one of the ingredients we use in preparing this.
Yeah.
If you want it to be organic. So this is Ewuru. This is cayenne pepper. This is Maggi, and this is crayfish, smooth crayfish.
Okay.
These are the ingredients that make a portion of Isiewu.
So this is just for one portion.
For one portion.
One portion is one head.
Of one goat's head.
Wow, that's a lot of ingredients. That's a lot of spices.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
Okay. And this is all going into the pot now.
Yes,
yeah?
ma'am.
Okay then.
You can say that the Isiewu is not boiling. Maybe in the next 15-20 minutes. Normally, one goat head take 35-40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah. If you really want to get the texture, sometimes it's not done inside. So you have to make sure everything is fine. Oziza is the first thing to be put in.
So that's the Oziza.
This is Oziza.
Cool story, bro.
Then I put a small of this one, and sometimes I don't want to put more. Let me divide it into two. Just bring out the aroma. So, Oda. It's called Oda.
Okay.
Thank you.
Native spice from Emekuku Owerri. What we use in making Isiewu. You can see I'm turning it. I have to get right inside. Now, use crayfish, grounded crayfish. Okay, was it? Then I'm putting Ewuru. This is called Ewuru.
Smells lovely.
Lovely. And then I'm gonna put, here comes cayenne pepper. Some people might want it spicy, and some may not want it spicy. So you can see Maggi is bringing up nice aroma. You can see. I cover it now to boil a bit. Then I will come back to put the remaining ingredients.
Okay.
And Isiewu is made.
Awesome. All right, so we'll see you in a second.
Okay, bye.
You can see that. Oh. You can see it's boiled.
Yeah.
And now the two remaining ingredients now. This is the Rites Isiewu, organic from Emekuku Owerri.
Smells wonderful.
It's lovely, isn't it? You can feel it. You hold on a bit. This is red oil. They call it in my place, they call it Unko Ojuku.
Unku Ojuku.
This is organic red oil.
So this is not manu.
Unko Ojuku.
Unku Ojuku.
It's called manu as well, but this is the main one they use in cooking. If you want the Isiewu to be organic, this is Unko Ojuku. It's very expensive.
But that's why it's a luxury dish, I guess, because the ingredients are expensive.
Yeah, so we have to put this and give it about 5 minutes before we put the last ingredient.
Okay.
This is Mpojuku from Emekuku Owerri.
Wow.
All the products come from Emekuku Owerri anyway.
Wow.
Because that's what makes it organic. And that's why we are #1 in UK. Alaowerri restaurant.
Yeah.
Isiewu specialist. You can see.
Smells lovely.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to continue to turn it.
That's bomb.
We're on the next stage now. After this stage, within 5 minutes, the Isiewu is done.
Okay.
On this stage now, we're gonna put what we call Ngo.
What's ungo?
It's Ngo.
Meaning blessing.
No, Ngo is what really bring out the aroma of Isewu. This is what makes it special.
So where did all this come from? What is that inside? Is it a seed or is it
What's inside here is a akamu. It's called akamu.
Oh, potash.
It's called akamu potash.
So this is the akamu potash, and then you put water to make it.
Yeah, this is what makes the Ngo.
Okay.
The akamu potash is what makes the Ngo. That's what I'm about to put now. You can see. I'm gonna put all of it. You can see it's changing the color now.
That's nice.
See how sweet it is. Let me taste it a bit. Very sweet. Gorgeous. You see? And the next ingredient and the last ingredient in this place is otazi.
Otazi leaf.
We're using otazi.
That's that bitter taste, isn't it?
Yeah, this is what brings out the bitter taste. So the Isewu. Put it inside. You can see me turning it. Very delicious.
So altogether this is about 35-40 minutes.
Yeah, everything takes about 40 minutes
Okay.
to get one goat head ready.
Wow.
So now the goat head is made. I'm gonna dish it out so you can have a taste of it, and then you will tell me how it is. It's pure organic. It's pure organic. There's no artificial here. Everything is homemade from Emekuku, Alaowerri, Nigeria. It's done already.
Alright, so off we go. I'm gonna go and sit down and get myself a drink and then prepare for this. Alright guys, so you've seen the process now, and this is the scary part because I'm literally about to come and eat. I'm so nervous because
You got this, queen.
when I show you, like, anyway, wish me luck. I'm gonna wash my hands and then they're gonna come out and bring the food.
OMG.
So this is all part of the ritual now. I'm about to wash my hands because obviously you have to eat this Isewu with your fingers. You can tell that I'm so nervous, right? Right, nice clean hot water. Thank you. So what are these? Why is it in this and not in like a other place?
Is a traditional pot. We use it in cooking and presenting the Isewu.
Epic.
We serve it with it.
And this on top is you put the otazi again.
There's otazi again.
You said
Yeah, you can see now the Isewu has been made, and now we're gonna wash hand. You hope you're gonna eat with me.
yeah.
Taste it and see how delicious it is. Homemade Isewu. All the ingredients come from Alaowerri, Emekuku. We've been serving close to 2 decades in the UK.
Okay, so you take the first bite. So what are the pieces in there? You just go for anything you want.
You just get whatever you want. You can see me now. I'm getting some.
Look at it closely.
You see?
And you don't know what part is what, you just eat.
Can't get anyone. But the other one, very sweet.
On point.
Okay, my go
A
now.
new challenger has
So
arrived.
I'm gonna go for the part that looks less like teeth and more like just normal meat.
Rude.
got 99 problems.
Because I'm scared.
Sorry.
Alright, so
Get a what?
because it's the goat head, remember I told you this has always been my nightmare.
Shredded, bro.
Alright, so I'm gonna have a bit of onion first. First time trying Isewu, guys. One more clap.
Very delicious, isn't it? Sorry? You said 25 pounds. The two.
One pot. Okay, the 225.
One goat head.
And but the 2 is 25.
Yeah. That's one goat head.
I'm gonna taste it first.
Very sweet. You love it?
Yeah. And the Utazi makes it quite the bitter contrast.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna go in now. This is like an ear. Doesn't matter.
Lovely.
You know what, yeah?
What?
Because of how nice it tastes, anyone that is scared of like eating meat or scared of like, you know, the people who are like worried when you go to the market shop or the meat shop and you don't like the look of like raw meat and you have a nice taste to it, it's easy to eat it. The seasoning is actually really nice, so you can lick it a lot. Alright.
Lovely.
Be right back.
Watch my live stream.
Okay, so my brain is trying to logically process what I'm doing, yeah? But really, you know, like when you go to the when you go to eat something like cow foot, you don't think of the cow's toenail and the foot, you just eat it because you like it. And then like also when you have umkobi, you just eat the whole thing. It's the same kind of process, so you're not supposed to be thinking, okay, this is a certain part of the body. You just eat it because it's good, it's nice, and it's cultural. You just get on with it. And once you do it more and more, it becomes nothing to be scared of. So congratulate me for my first time eating isi ewu as Onyo Bear.
Thank you very much.
Bye, we're eating. Actually, what's the best drink to eat with this?
Or what? Palm wine?
Okay.
Bring one palm wine and glass.
Ooh, that's
This is nice.
Yeah?
10 minutes.
Anyway, it's a local palm wine. You know, nature is very important. You get palm wine. I will have a bottle here for you.
Thank you.
You want to drink it? That's what.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Matteo, questi sono importanti cose che se loro vuoi vedere che sei qui, lo sai.
Go for a big bit. So actually what I want to ask is like, where did the idea of cooking a goat's head and preparing it as a traditional dish, because it's a luxury dish, the ingredients are expensive, and like where did the idea come from? Because can you eat other animals' heads or cook?
No, naturally, in where I come from, in Alaowerri, in Imo State, Nigeria, my grandmom used to make this isi ewu on a special occasion. Like our New Year festival, when people from different ethnic groups visit us, she will make this for them. This is what made the occasion a very great one, because it's a symbol of good cultural meat.
That's what I'm talking
made out
about.
of men goat head, isi ewu, not lamb.
Yeah.
It's pure goat head.
Not, you can't use cow or any other.
No, you can't. You can't.
So how come it's just the head and not the rest of the body?
Yeah, I think it's a culture. It's an Igbo culture. They used to take it with native palm wine.
Like how some people have shaki, Italians eat shaki with vegetables, lemons. Some people have sausages, and we can have isi ewu.
Yeah, but this is our own culture, what
Yeah.
we eat in Igbo land.
That's right.
It's everyday thing there. When you go to restaurants, bar, you see people cooking it. That's why we brought it down to UK.
Epic.
And this is the isi ewu headquarters.
This is the isi ewu headquarters, unbeatable in the UK.
5 stars.
Yeah, it's so sweet, oh. Come and eat.
So guys, that's it. I've officially been, say congratulations to me, as I've officially been initiated into the isi ewu club
A new challenger has
at the
arrived.
headquarters.
Welcome, Agowine. Agowine of London. Mwafobo. Alaowerri, London. Isi ewu headquarters. Ebona Poto, 48 hours non-stop. organic isi ewu, organic Nigerian food. Next video again, you know, I got caught on my nkwobi. I got caught on my nkwobi. No me ejula. Na eju. Rie kwa nkwobi. Uto obana ndo oroko. Yara no ma biko no. Come in. Come and eat. Bia no sanyi rie. Mega aka no. Ka be ebe. Yaga jio.
Okay, bye.
Catch you.
Bye.
Bye.
Game over.